As a student, your financial aid status and financial records are protected and can only be shared with certain third parties with your consent. Therefore, if you wish for SFA, the Financial Aid Office, and/or UB, the University Bursar, and/or Business Services, the UF Bookstore, and Gator Dining, to discuss your financial records with third parties such as your parents or scholarship donors, you will need to complete the Release of Confidential Student Record Information form found at 1.uf. Log in at 1.uf with your Gator link, username, and password. From the menu in the upper left-hand corner, select Financial Info Release. The Student Authorization to Release Financial Information page will appear. Read it carefully. If you wish to authorize the offices selected to release any and all information concerning your financial record, click on the plus sign to add an agency or person. List the person or agency and their relationship to you in the window that appears. Select the UF offices that you authorize to release any information concerning your financial record. When complete, select Submit. At any time, you can change the UF offices authorized to release information concerning your financial record by clicking on the pencil icon under Actions. To add additional persons or agencies, click on the plus sign. Fill out the form again as directed with the additional name and agency and their relationship to you. Select the UF offices that you authorize to release any information concerning your financial record. When complete, select Submit. To remove a person or agency, click on the Delete icon under Actions. A menu will appear that will confirm that you would like to remove that person or agency. Click Confirm.